SakaFed. Hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make a quick and easy banana bread. If you want to see how I do this, keep watching. Guys, let's get baking. All the ingredients I'm going to use will be listed in the description bar below. First thing I'm going to do is mix all my dry ingredients together. I have my flour here and I use self-rising flour. If you want to use all-purpose flour, that's fine. In this recipe, I'm using 2 cups of flour. So what I would recommend is that then you use 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm going to add my nutmeg, cinnamon, and ginger. So just put that in there and mix it up. This is so easy. It is a quick. If your friend call you up and say, I'm dropping over in like half an hour, guys, and you have some banana, just whip it up and you have coffee with them. Okay, we're gonna put some white sugar, and you can use brown sugar in this recipe as well, but I'm using white. All right, that's it for my dry ingredients for now. I have some walnuts and some cranberries raisins that I'm gonna add once I mix everything together. And I just like to pull these little things off. Okay guys, so just whip it up a little bit. Doesn't have to be too much like that. And then we add in some oil. Now this is corn oil. You can use canola oil, corn oil, but use a heavy oil. You want to keep it nice and moist, so this is the best one to use. You can also use olive oil for people who are like, you know, worried about their diet. Vanilla extract, so 1 teaspoon of that. Mixed up here. Now that's going to go right into my flour. So I'm going to make a little well in the middle of that. And I'm going to pour my egg mixture into that. Then we're going to mix it all in. And don't worry if it's a little thick, because you know what's going to happen, what's coming next. Bananas. I have 3 bananas. And you want to use them nice and ripe. And I'm just going to crush them. So you want to get it nice and mushy. Make sure you crush it up really well. So now the banana, you can see it's nice and soft, all mushed up. So we're just going to add it to our flour mixture. It's starting to loosen there. And this, guys, is just your basic banana bread recipe. Now, if you want to add stuff to it, which is what I like to do, I know some people like just plain banana bread, they have it with cheese or butter, and so this is what you would do. This is how you would do it. But I like a little extra, so I'm going to add a cup of walnuts in there. So I have my black walnuts. I just add it in. I like the crunch when I bite into it. That nutty crunch. And you could have banana bread with walnuts. That could be it. And then I'm going a little extra, guys, and I'm adding cranberries. So I'm adding half a cup of cranberries in there. Not too much. It'll give it a little tangy taste with a little sweet. So that's just for me. And guys, this is it. It's done. You can see everything is well combined. You just mix it up. Now because you use cooking oil in this recipe, you really don't have to, if you have a non-stick pan, you don't have to grease it up and thing, but I still like to put a little bit of spray on mine. So I will spray my pan. And you know, in the meantime, I'm going to turn my oven on. I'm going to put it at 350 and let it heat up. This recipe is going to give you 1 loaf. Now, if you want to zhuzh it up a little bit, guys, you can add some rum to it. Just a little bit. I do that when I do my Caribbean style. Get all the little air pockets out of there. That's it. As soon as my oven reaches temperature, guys, I'm going to put it in and leave it for, it should take about an hour. I say 45 to an hour. So I will check it from time to time and just make sure it's not burning. Let's see, it should be done now. Oh yeah, look at that. This is ready. Now it took a little longer than I expected. It took about an hour and almost an hour and a half to bake, but I don't know, I think my oven is just not working. I'm just gonna let it cool down and then I'll cut it later and show you what it looks like. Look at that. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. And there you have it, guys, our delicious banana bread. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again next time. Until then, have a great day and God bless.